time to look at our Bibles and learn our memory verse. Now I hope, yes, your memory verse. I hope that your mommies and daddies have been teaching you your memory verse. We've been trying to teach Ophelia, and we hope that she can help you learn your memory verse. But first we're going to sing our song, I Open My Bible Book and Read. If you have your own Bible books at home or your Bibles, you can go and fetch it and maybe you can open it. So let's sing our song and then we'll learn our memory verse, okay? So, I open my Bible book and read, He loves me, He loves me. Do you want to sing with me? I open my Bible book and read, He loves me, He loves me. And today we're opening our Bibles to Ephesians. Can you say Ephesians? 4,
No.
verse 32. Ephesians 4, verse 32. And it says in Ephesians 4, verse 32, be kind to one another. Yes, be kind to one another. But we are going to be singing a song about being kind to one another. And it's our memory verse song. So again, if you don't know it, we can ask Mommy and Daddy to rewind it so that you can learn it, alright? The words are very simple. It is exactly like our memory verses. So you just sing, be kind to one another, alright? Are you going to sing with Mommy? Mommy needs to see. Can you hold it like that? Okay. Be kind to one another. Be kind to one another. Be kind. Be kind. Be kind to one another. Let's do it again. Be kind to one another. Be kind to one another. Be kind. Be kind. Be kind to one another. There we go. That is our memory verse song today, and I hope you will remember it. So today our story, if you can see our felt story today, it's about Jesus on the beach. And what's over there? Some people in a boat. Can you tell me what they were doing? Do you know what they were doing? What were they doing? Fishing. And what they used to do is they used to go fishing the whole night. So while you were in nice, warm, tucked in bed, they were out fishing. And so that night they were out fishing and they didn't catch any fish. They didn't know what to do because that used to be their jobs, their work. So they used to get their food and money from fishing. And they had spent the whole night fishing, but they didn't catch any fish. And so the next morning they started coming back, trying to fish a little bit, but they were very sad because they hadn't caught any fish. And then they saw a man on the beach, and this man shouted out to them, and they said, throw your nets on the other side. And the fishermen, which were also Jesus' disciples, they said, what is that man saying? Can you hear what he's saying? Can you put your hand behind your ear like this? There we go. Let's hear again if he says it again. Throw your nets on the other side. And so the fishermen shouted back and they put their hands like this. Can you put your hands like this? Can you go like this? already tried that. And then the man who was on the beach said again, throw your nets on the other side. And so the disciples thought, who is this man who is on the beach shouting at us? But they thought, okay, we'll throw our nets on the other side. And then they threw their nets on the other side. It was on that side, and now then they threw their nets on this side. And they caught lots of fish. Their nets were so heavy, they couldn't put it into the boat. They had so many fish. And they were so excited because once they realized how much fish they had caught, they also realized who was calling to them or shouting to them from the beach. And do you know who it was? Do you know who it was?
Yes.
Who was it?
Yes.
Jesus. Jesus was calling to them from the beach, and he was helping them. So even when Jesus wasn't with them, he was trying to help them from the beach. And so they were very tired after fishing the whole night, and they rowed back because they now caught a lot of fish. So they rowed back, and while they rowed back, it was the song. We're going to sing a song about the boat rocking. The song is called Rock, 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 Rock. Let's turn to the song. Okay, the song goes like this. Rock, 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 see the boat on the water. Rock, 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 see the boat on the water. Rock, 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 see the boat on the water. Rock, 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 see the boat on the water. All right. There we go. So, let's sing our memory song again, because we're reminded about how Jesus was kind to the fishermen. He helped them by showing them what to do, or by telling them what to do to catch fish. And in doing so, he was kind. And so we're going to turn to our memory song just quickly, and we're going to sing. Remember that the words are your memory verse, so it's very easy. Let's be kind to one another. Beautiful. There we go. You're going to sing with me? Alright, let's sing Be Kind to One Another. Be kind to one another. Be kind to one another. Be kind. Be kind. Be kind to one another. Can you sing with mommy? Be kind to one another. Be kind to one another. Be kind. Be kind. Be kind to one another. Alright, so by this time the fishermen were on the beach. I'm going to ask that you just quickly bear with me so that I can quickly change the scene that we can make it for on the beach. Alright. So here we can see that we're on the beach and Jesus has made a fire for them. How nice of Jesus. We've just learned how kind Jesus was to help them with their fishing, and now he's making them breakfast. I think they were very tired after their long night of fishing, and only being able to catch fish after Jesus helped them. That must be tiring. Have you ever stayed up the whole night?
Yes.
It's very tiring. It makes us very sleepy, hey? And so Jesus shows us kindness again by making them breakfast. And so he made them a campfire. So let's sing about a campfire. So again, if you want to learn the song, you can ask Mommy or Daddy just to rewind and you can sing with us, all right? And this one is called Campfire. And it goes like this. Campfire, campfire, come to the campfire. We'll cook our supper at the campfire tonight. Campfire, campfire, come to the campfire. Come to the campfire tonight. Campfire, campfire, come to the campfire. We'll cook our supper at the campfire tonight. Campfire, campfire, come to the campfire. Come to the campfire tonight. And so Jesus was very kind and he showed them how to be kind to one another and help wherever we can. And so he also shared with them his stories, and I'm sure that he helped them cook their breakfast, and he was very kind, and they probably shared their fish with him. So that's another way of being kind to one another, is by sharing. So let's sing a song about sharing. Again, if you want to learn, you can just ask Mommy and Daddy to rewind. This one goes, sharing, sharing, I have fun and so do you. Sharing, sharing, it's a lovely thing to do. Sharing, sharing, I have fun and so do you. Sharing, sharing, it's a lovely thing to do. So what are some of the ways that you can be kind or help Mommy and Daddy at home? So something that I can think of is by picking up your toys. If you're big enough, you can put your clothes in the wash, and you can help Mommy set the table. And if you're a little bit older, you can even help Mommy make supper or look after your siblings. If you have smaller brothers and sisters, you can help Mommy look after them. You can help Mommy clean. If you're big enough, you can stand by the washing to help Mommy wash the dishes. And Mommy can maybe put a chair there if you're not tall enough, and you can help Mommy do the dishes. There's so many ways that you can help Mommy and Daddy in the house and outside. And you can also help your friends at school. If you see they're struggling, we can help each other and we can be kind to one another. So let's sing our memory verse song again. Our memory verse song, by this time I hope that you know it. Be kind to one another. Can you sing it with Mommy? That's very nice singing, baby, but can we sing be kind to one another? Be kind to one another. Be kind to one another. Be kind. Be kind. Be kind to one another. Let's put it a little bit higher. Let's sing it once more, okay? Be kind to one another. Be kind to one another. Be kind. Be kind. Be kind to one another. There we go. And so today I hope that you have learned how to be kind to one another, and how to share, and how to be a real helper just one last song that I want you to remember to help you remember how to be kind and how to help. This one is called I Will Be a Helper. This song goes like this. I will be a helper. I will be a helper. I will put away my toys. I will be a helper. I will be a helper. I will be a helper. I will hang up all my clothes. I will be a helper. I will be a helper. I will be a helper. Help my mommy clean the house. I will be a helper. Thank you so much for joining us today and listening to our story about Jesus and how he helped people whenever he was here on earth, and he helped his friends and he helped strangers as well. So help us remember to be helpers for mommy and daddy, and wherever you go you can be friendly and kind and helpful to whoever you come in contact with. Have a lovely Sabbath, and let's quickly close our eyes before we finish our Sabbath school today, okay? Are you going to kneel with mommy? Okay. Dear Jesus, thank you so much for our lovely Sabbath day. Thank you that we could be together even though we are apart, but thank you that we could spend time together learning more about you and learning how to be helpful and kind to everybody and helping mommy and daddy. And thank you for being the good example to us that you are, to show us how to help people. We love you and we can't wait to meet you on the clouds. Amen. Bye. Bye. Say bye to your friends.
Bye.
Ephesians 4 verse 32. And it says, be kind to one another. Very nice.